Hello all, welcome to Naruto Masters Academy. Our daily current affairs including GS and GK. The first question. Which two organizations recently signed an MOU to develop AI tools for detecting and classifying large cardamom diseases in Sikkim? The options are, and the correct answer is A. National Informatics Center, that is INC, and a Species Board of India. The National Informatics Center INC and the Species Board of India have signed an MOU to develop AI tools for detecting and classifying large cardamom diseases in Sikkim. The next question is, recently, where was the 24th meeting of the Council of Heads of States of the Shanghai Corporation Organization, that is nothing but SCO, held? The options are, and the correct answer is B. Astana, Kazakhstan. The 24th SCO Heads of States meeting was held on July 4, 2024 in Astana, Kazakhstan, hosted by President Tokyo. The summit admitted Belarus as the 10th full member. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi skipped the meeting, represented by the External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar, who reiterated Modi's stance against terrorism. The next question is, which country hosts 46th session of the UNESCO World Heritage Committee? The options are, and the correct answer is C. India. India will host the 46th UNESCO World Heritage Committee session from July 21st to 31st, 2024 at Bharat Mandapam in New Delhi. The next question. What is junk DNA recently mentioned in news? The options are, and the correct answer is B. Non-coding regions of DNA. Using AI, artificial intelligence researchers developed potential cancer drives in junk DNA region, which are non-coding sections of DNA. While DNA codes for proteins, not all sequence serves this function. Some non-coding DNA produces RNA components, but others have unknown functions and are termed junk DNA. In humans, 98% of DNA is non-coding, compared to 2% in bacteria. Evidence suggests junk DNA might have functional roles through expansion, graining functions beyond natural selection. The next question. Recently, Dick Schoof has been appointed as the Prime Minister of which country? The options are, and the correct answer is A. Netherlands. Netherlands. Prime Minister Narendra Modi congratulated Dick Schoof on becoming the new Prime Minister of Netherlands and expressed eagerness to strengthen India-Netherlands relationship. The next question. Where was the 16th edition of India Mongolia joint military exercise? That is nothing but nomadic elephant held. The correct answer, the options are, and the correct answer is C. Umroi, Meghalaya. The 16th India Mongolia joint military exercise, that is nothing but nomadic elephant, started at Meghalaya, running from July 3rd to 16, 2024. It involved 45 Indian personnel and Mongolian army, 155 quick reactions for battalion. The next questions are, what is the Prime Minister objective of the low frequency array? That is nothing but LOFAR. Recently seen in news. The options are, and the correct answer is B. To observe the universe at low radio frequency. Astronomers discovered a new radio galaxy using the low frequency array, that is nothing but LOFAR, a pan-European distributed ratio interferometer developed by the Dutch Tech Institute for Radio Astronomy, that is nothing but Astron. LOFAR observes the universe at low radio frequency up to 90 to 200 megahertz and can simultaneously observe multi-directions. It aims to explore the early universe, solar activity, and the terrestrial atmosphere. LOFAR's innovative design includes advanced digital beamforming for LE multi-users operations too. The next question. What is spectabilis? What is Senna spectabilis recently seen in news? The options are, and the correct answer is A. Invasive plant. Environment Organization recently urged the Forest Department to maintain transparency in a project to extract Senna spectabilis from the Wayan Wildlife Sanctuary. Senna spectabilis, a legume family tree native to South and Central America, is invasive in India. Now, for its bright yellow flowers and resilience, it was introduced for shade and the fuelwood, but now threatened native species due to its dense foliage. It is classified as least concern of the UNCN Red List. The next question. Which of the following national park is not a UNESCO World Heritage Site? The option D is Khana. Kanha National Park is one of the tiger reserve of India and the largest national park of the Madhya Pradesh. So it is not a UNESCO World Heritage. A World Heritage site is a landmark or area which has been officially recognized by the United Nations, especially by the United Nations Education, Scientific and Cultural Organization. Is nothing but UNESCO. The next question. Anuradha Swane is well known for her work in which of the following fields? The options are, and the correct answer is B, animal rights. Anuradha Swane, the head of India operations of PETA, is nothing but People for Ethical Treatment of Animal. Next question. In which of the following the ecological pyramid of number is broad in center? The options are, and the correct answer is D, forest ecosystem. In a forest ecosystem, the base of pyramid is formed by the producers like a large sized trees. The herbivores such as fruits eating birds, deers and elephants etc. make the primary consumers as well as than the primary producers. The next question. For which of the following PM10 and PM2.5 samplers are used? The options are, and the correct answer is C, environment pollution. PM10 is particulate matter with 10 mm or less than in diameter and PM2.5 is particulate matter with 2.5 micrometers or less than in diameter. These particles are formed by burning fuels and chemical reaction that takes place in the atmosphere, which results in environment pollution. A new study showed that PM 2.5 is more harmful than PM 10. The next question. Nagoya Protocol is related to which among the following? The options are, and the correct answer is B, diversity, biodiversity. On 29th October 2010, we also called as Biodiversity Day, celebrated on 29th October 2010. Some 18,000 participants representing the 193 parties to the Convention of Biological Diversity, that's nothing but CBD, and their partners closed the Nagoya Biodiversity Summit by adopting historic decision that will permit the community of nations to meet the unprecedented challenges of the continued loss of biodiversity compounded by the climate changes. Next question. Which of the following is an example of lotic ecosystem? The options are, and the correct answer is A, stream ecosystem. The term lotic refers as to following flowing water ecosystem, which are characterized by the content movement of water. Stream ecosystem is an example of lotic ecosystem. Streams are bodies of flowing water that can vary in size from small babbling brooks to large rivers. They have a continuous flow of water, which makes them a classic example of lotic ecosystem. It's nothing but stream ecosystem. The last question. Recently, which government agency has launched the Sampurnata Abhiyan? The options are, and the correct answer is C, Niti Ayog. Niti Ayog launched the Sampurna Abhiyan on July 4, 2024, targeting 100% saturation of 12 key social sector indicates around 112 aspirational districts and 500 aspirational blocks, running until September 30th. The campaign was so enthusiastic participations from officials, four-line workers, and citizens nationwide. Events included health camps, cultural programs, and awareness yatras, emphasizing community involvement and commitment to the campaign's goals from Jammu and Kashmir to Andaman and Nicobar Islands.